Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to Simran Nick channel with a brand new episode with me, Simran. I hope you all are doing really good. And today I'm back with another home remedy video. And this time it's for acne and pimple prone skin. I have one face mask which works really good for pimple and acne prone skin. If you also have guest on your face just like mine, then hi! I have hair on my forehead. I don't have hair on my face right now, but don't worry, initially I had them on my face, but this is a type of good time going on with me, so I don't have hair on my face right now. And these uninvited guests doesn't want to leave your face, but you guys want them to pack and leave your face, isn't it? But before that, do you know what causes acne? Acne starts when your skin pores get clogged with oil and dead skin cells. And there are many factors which may affect or contribute to the development of acne. It can be genetic, because of stress, or maybe hormonal changes or infection and medication as well. Now talking about myself, I'm taking medicines from past 1 year and more, and in return I'm getting these uninvited guests on my face. But that's okay, medicines are important, I know. And one more thing which I would like to highlight is these are just okay thing, but especially for girls, when they are on their periods, they get one big nice uninvited guest on their face, and they won't come over here anywhere. If girls want to hide them, they can't hide them because they come here or here or here or here. And I find there are two most annoying thing. They are like, if I'm talking to someone and that person won't look into my eyes, but rather than looking into my eyes, that person would look at my pimple and talk to me, and that's really annoying. Please don't do that, okay? It annoys a lot. And another thing is, if I have pimple over here on my nose, these eyes, they automatically go over here, and this is the second annoying thing, and I can't help, they automatically go, and until and unless I don't have pimple over here, they can't move anywhere else. Now the ingredients what you need for this mask is cinnamon powder and honey. First we'll take 2 tablespoons of honey. I have honey in this plate, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So this is what cinnamon powder is over here, and I'll mix it. Now, and this mask is a really famous mask, and I'm pretty sure that 70% of you all watching my video must be knowing about this. But still, today in this video, I'll be talking to the remaining 30% of you all, because initially I myself didn't know about this. And after that, after trying this, after getting to know about this, it's working really good for me. So that's the reason I'm sharing it with you all. It works wonders. So use your finger to mix it, and don't go for fancy stuff as if using your spoon and using that brush and spatulas. Whenever you are working with home remedy stuff, you should use your fingers, you should use your hand. And this is how the face mask look. Now there are 2 ways to apply this face mask, but before that, make sure that you have washed your face, your face is clean, and I was talking about 2 ways of applying this face mask. So the one way is dip your finger and apply it directly on the spot where you have pimple on your face. And another way is, take your fingers, dip them and apply it all over your face. I personally prefer applying all over my face rather than just working on the spots. And guys, don't forget the smell of this face mask. It smells really good. And now it's done. As you guys can see, I have applied it all over my face. Now we'll have to leave this face mask for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll see you after that. Now this is how it looks after 10-15 minutes. Now for cleaning this mask, you need to wet your fingers and with a gentle pressure in circular motion you need to clean it like this. This is how it looks after cleaning it with your fingers. And now you will have to wash your face, and after that tap dry your face. So I'll see after that. Now then, I'm done with washing my face and my skin feels so soft and it's super softy, and this is how it looks after washing your face. And I'm super satisfied with this result. Now then, we are done with all face mask stuff. Now the second thing which we need to do is moisturize our face with aloe vera gel. And we all know the benefits of aloe vera gel, and we have n number of benefits of aloe vera gel. But still I'll mention few of them. It helps us treat our burns, it helps treat our wounds, and it helps fight with anti-inflammation. And we often add aloe vera gel to lotion, cream, ointment, and even soap and etc. So yeah, I have this aloe vera Kesher gel. I don't have only aloe vera gel right now with me. This is also a good gel. And if you also don't have aloe vera gel with you, you can buy it from the store. But make sure the gel which you will buy should be pure gel without added ingredients. And if you have aloe vera plant at home, that's the best thing which you have right now. Go and take it out and use a natural product. And now I'll apply this gel on my skin, and I'll keep it for 1 to 2 hours, or you can keep it for 1 to 2 hours or overnight. I personally prefer keeping it overnight on my skin. So let's apply it on a face. And the smell of this aloe vera Kesher gel is super amazing. Really, it smells so good. This video comes to an end over here, and I'm gonna keep this for next 2 to 3 hours on my face. And I know it's looking super shiny right now, and I'm in love with this. Anyways, So yes, this is the end of our video, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and you will try out this face mask remedy for your skin, and you should try it out. You should give it a try. It's working really amazing. And if you want me to give shout out to you in my next video, for that you need to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and then comment down below done, and I'll give shout out to you in my next video. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments and share this video with all your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.